Good morning everyone. So mag-ano tayo, naglalaba ako ngayon. Naglalaba na ako kagabi pero hindi ko natapos. And then yung last labahin ko, akala ko na labahan ko siya, na-turn on ko yung washing. Hindi pala. Kaya inulit ko na naman. So anyway, uuwi pala ako ngayon sa Nashville kasi today is Friday, so I have work tomorrow. And guess what? Good news guys, kasi nandito na ang aking kids. So nandito na sila, Michael, Kathleen, and Josephine and Kathleen. And si Kuya Brian din. So nandoon na sila sa California. Not literal, nandito. I mean, nandito na sa US. So welcome back guys. So, nasa California na sila, mag-apply sila dito and dadating sila sa Nashville ng 1 PM. Pipick upin sana namin sila ni Tom and then Kuya Brian nakapag-decide na hindi na lang daw, mag-ano na lang daw sila, mag-Uber or Lyft ba yun? Si Kuya nag-chat na magli-Lyft na lang daw sila. And then yung car niya is nakapark kasi sa bahay namin, so I have to be there po mga before 1 kasi guys yung key niya, yung car key niya is nasa amin na nandito, so paano siya walang car key. Ang sarap ng kape na ito, meron itong maraming flavor. So yeah, I'm excited na nandito na sila. And then dito, malinis naman yung bahay. Kailangan na lang siya i-vacuum and mag-mop. And then si Erica, sabi niya mag-organize daw siya doon sa kitchen and sa fridge. Tapos sa pantry din. So, tulungan talaga kami dito guys. Then kaya huwag kayong mag-ano na kasi dito, ganyan-ganyan. And huwag nyo na lang problemahin guys. So, nandito ako kasi yung owner nga is basaya naman na nandito kami, and then kayo parang kayo yung na-stress or na-problema. Just support na lang for now kasi di naman to panghabang buhay na talaga. Ayan guys, kailangan na lang talaga tong i-vacuum. Ayan, malinis ito. Ay, kay Erica pala to. So, yung bagahe, hindi ko pa yan nakuha. Yan yung labahan ko. Tapos, ito yung counter. So, malinis naman talaga. Yung floor na lang, kailangan manilhig and mop and vacuum kasi may mga crumbs. So, let's start na. In-arrange ko na yung sopa kasi gagabi, wala namang dito. Yung mga tao. Kami-kami lang. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung kitchen. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi ang linis-linis. Pero lang, pag may mga mga plato, okay lang naman yun. Makukuha lang naman yun. What I mean is, ang linis siya ba? Tingnan kasi, white yung color. And then, maganda din yung ganito nila. Naunsa man akong bugas. Uy, dug na ako. So, kahapon pala, nag-watch pala sila ng movie. Si Tom at saka yung mga bata. Namimiss ko si Leslie at William. Kasi nandito si Waylon sa akin. So, kaya sabi ko, mamimiss ko talaga. Namimiss ko yung dalawa. And guys, kaya sabi ko din na kailangan ko din umuwi sa Nashville ng maaga. Kasi si Isabella, babalik na siya bukas. So, kailangan kong mag-spend time with her, and then si Waylon din para maka-spend time sa kaniyang big sister. Then I have work tomorrow morning. Yung benta kong bag. Wala na dayon. It's okay. Ang Carla guys, papadala ko na lang ito pag sado kayong bumili ng bag sa akin. Baka dadating to sa October. So, palit na mo guys. Kaya wala siya na dayon nagdala. Ang kaganda pa naman ng bag na to. Promise. And then, tapos ako ano guys, magsilhig and mag-map. I-arrange ko muna to. And then, si America na yung the rest. So, ganito naman kami dito, nagtutulungan. Minsan si kay Brian magpupugas, si Erica nag-arrange. So, wala talagang mga ganito, ganyan. Kasi yung iba nakikita ko sa mga comments ba na, oh, Iching, dapat mag-ano ka, Erica, dapat tumulong ka, o ganito, ganyan. So, lahat naman po kami dito. Hi! Yeah, gising na si Wim. Good morning, love ni Mommy. Good morning, love ni Mommy. I'll sleep? Huh? You sleep good? Huh? You have a drink? No, you don't have a drink? Okay. Just, hi guys, say hi, good morning. Good morning everyone. I just woke up. Huh? Look at Waylon's face. You're so cute, boy. Yes, Dad. We're gonna see Ate Bella today. We're gonna see Ate Bella.
My daddy.
And your daddy too. You miss your daddy? And Ate Bella?
Yeah.
And Kuya William?
Yeah.
And Kuya Wesley?
Yeah.
Wow, you're gonna see them tonight.
Mommy.
Yes, Mommy too. Mommy is here forever.
Me.
You too. You're here with me forever, baby. Yes. So,
Is it Ava?
Ate Erica is sleeping. But Ate Kathleen, Ate Josephine, Kuya Braden, Kuya Michael, and Papa Ian is coming
What?
today.
Today?
Yes. Are you excited to see them?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you happy? Huh? I'm happy this year. Okay. Mommy is doing something, alright? So you need to sit down for a little bit. Okay? Okay. Now sit down there. Come. I'm gonna give you some food. Just one moment, baby. Alright? Ayan, si Erica guys, bumili siya kahapon ng mga plates. Ayan. Kasi nandito na yung mga bata, so kailangan namin dagdagan. Ito yung plates sa Target, at 50 cents lang to guys. And then, ang tibay-tibay niya. Di ba yun mabuak? Ready na siya sa kanyang table, guys. Hi! Ate Erica's still sleeping. You're so cute, baby. Oh, Ate Erica. Are you Bella? Okay, Ate Bella's going home tomorrow.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy is in the house.
And Daddy in out?
Yes. Are you excited to see them? And Ate Bella too?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna play with Ate Bella? That's what you want? Oh, you wanna hug Ate because you miss her?
Yeah.
Aww, it's okay. We will be there, okay?
Okay.
And then you're gonna play with Ate. Let's go to the park later with Ate Bella. What's that? No, that's from the washing, baby.
What?
That's from washing machine.
Mm.
Yes. We're gonna play sa park later.
No. Other one.
Huh?
Other one.
What's it?
Other one.
Water park?
Other one.
What is that?
Other one.
I don't understand, Wei.
Other one.
Again. Huh?
Other one.
What's the other one?
Other one.
Ah, you wanna take us? You wanna go to the pool?
Red.
All right.
A ball in.
Hmm.
About a ball.
And ball?
Red.
Okay.
Ball.
Anak di enak.
Red.
Okay.
And I made ball.
We're gonna see Ate Bella, Kuya William, and Kuya Wesley,
Me.
and Waylon,
Mommy.
and Mommy,
Me.
and Wei,
And mommy.
and Mommy. Hey. And we're gonna see Ate Bella, Ate Kathleen,
Yes.
Ate Josephine,
Yes.
Kuya Michael,
Yes.
and Kuya Braden today.
Yes.
Yay! Okay? Let's kuha na ta. Kuha sana ko ang kanang na yung mga clothes na. Uy, ganong cute man ka, uy. Hello everyone! So, mag-ano na kami guys. Uwi na kami sa Nashville. Oh my God, doon sana na akong now. Waylon, alin na! Send siya na sa haggard na face and kalkag na buhok. Alibi. Wow, that's so nice. Why did you do that? Alin na. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Magdadrive pa kami ng 1 hour. Wala na, unsa na akong bugas. So, sakto-sakto, dadating kami. And then, maabot na po sila kuya. Kasi nandito yung car key eh. So, yung car niya nasa bahay. Doon siya nag-park. So, hindi siya makapunta dito. Hindi siya makapag-drive kung wala yung key. So, I need to be there before kuan. Alin na. I need to be there para makapag-drive sila dito. Alin na, baka init kayo, be. Magdali na. Let's go, babe.
Bed?
Yes.
Another bed.
Uy, ikaw eh.
Other bed.
Kisot mo.
Other bed. What other bed?
Love you. So, let's go guys and see ya there. Hi guys. So, nandito na po kami sa Nashville. Ayan, natulog pa pala sila. Si Wesley, di rin natulog. Si William and Bella. And then, nag-stop by pala kami sa McDo. Kasi gutom na daw yung mga kiddos. So, I think they will be here in 5 minutes.
Mommy! What doing this?
Diyan na.
Golden.
Wow, McDonald's!
Golden.
Yes! Natuba man yung mga siblings, right?
What?
Yes? Dugay ko rin na natuba. Hmm? Hmm?
What?
Don't touch that. That's Kuya Wesley's thing. Is that yours? You're a baby? That's yours because you're a baby? Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Hey, they're here na, guys.
Your house.
No, you're gonna drive from here to your house.
This is just a rest stop.
Is there Gandhi's?
Yep.
Mommy.
Ano daw, Kuya?
He's asking if there's a game. Pokemon games.
This is Ate Josephine. Yes, this one is Kuya Brayden. Oh, that one is Kuya Michael. Yes, how about that? Who is that? Huh? Hug. That's Ate Kathleen. Yes. You say hi to Ate Kathleen. Hug. Hala. Kana, kinsa na way? Kana ba? Kana, kinsa na? Sa middle. Kinsa na? Who's that? William. Kuya. Hey, you happy now? You have lots of cousins now? Yes.
Yeah, all your cousins.
Ate Bella's still sleeping.
That looks like Mr. Wesley just woke up.
Hi, Bess.
He's like still like, hey.
Yeah, because they were up until like 5:30 this morning.
Oh my.
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, you guys weren't joking when he said he was online.
Okay, biyahe kuya. Kapoy.
Yeah, we're just tired of flying. No more flying for a while. No more.
Hi, Michael. Guys, guapa ka. You see you too. They're big now.
I know. You know them?
Huh?
They are big now. You're big too. Yeah, he's big too. Is Bella awake or is she hiding?
No, Diam is. Wait, Kuya William is right there. Wake up, Ate Bella.
Yo, did you guys stay up late?
Oh my goodness, William.
Did you guys stay up late? Did you guys stay up late? Huh?
What did you do, guys? Seriously, what did you do? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they were still. I heard little footsteps at 5:30 when I was left.
Kinsa na, we? Kinsa na?
Hi.
Kinsa na? Like that?
Do you want to throw?
Mm. Wait, you're big na lagi, Ate Josephine. Ay. Welcome back to America, guys. Huh? Yeah, I know. Good morning, Isabella. Nagkita na naman sila ulit ni Michael, Kathleen, and Bella. You miss me, babe.
I have a phone. It's a small phone.
Wesley, you gonna play with him?
No, you just walk. Ano man ka, Wesley? What happened to you, man?
Bug bite.
Abi na akong naunsa. Guys, gopo kay si Kathleen. Unsa man akong buhok, Kathleen. Mura, imo kong yaya ba? Di mo sagot, babe. Di mo sagot. Mga sa ako, guys, ha? Ano mo, wow. Dato na kay si Kathleen, guys. Tanawar, na siya. Na siya Sensei. Na siya Arius. Allah! Nakagod siya kwintas. Pwede na nako ni ko. Ako ning kuwaon kay ako i-print na. Basta wala kay kwarta, ha?
Nag-ubabi akong glasses with sa ning kuha na siya nag-ubos. Isuot na ko sa akong bag.
Ay, ayaw, butang sa bag, babe. Parehas daw. Cute ka, ayaw.
Like and subscribe.
Hello! Guys, look at them! Mga Pinoy good kayo kay gibilin ang shoes sa gawas. I told Bella, guys, that guwapa kayo siya. She's so pretty, huh? Oh, siya mao. William Food. Dako naman ka, ate. Can you have dinner later? Huh? With your siblings? We can go to McDonald's or somewhere. Okay? Alright, well, let's go to the park first. An hour na sila, ah? Bye, guys! So, magkikita lang kami Monday, guys, kasi may work ako tomorrow. Wait! Buyers! Hello guys! So, happy kay ko. Kay nana sila dire finally. So, they're back na good. And anyway, may pinadala kasi ako sa kanila guys. Nagaling Pinas. So, tapakita ko nga sa inyo. So, ito. Wala. Nagdala yung Kujik ba? And most important is yung lipstick natin. Sarap. Natay pang tambal sa kagid. Para ni Kawaylon guys kasi nagrashes kasi siya eh. And yung yung pangkilay natin. Ayan, ito yung gamit na pangkilay ko. Actually, meron ako nito. Pero nga, na ano siya, kanang na ay, tawagan na ay, kanang nahulog man ni Waylon. So, nabuak. Kuya, nagkakuhan na, nagkakampat-kampat ng mga eyebrow. So, nagpabili ako ng new one. And lipstick. Gustong-gusto ko kasi ito na lipstick. Especially dito sa cheek. Ang ganda-ganda nito, guys. Barato rin siya, 100 plus. Pero, nindot kayo siya. As in. And isa pa. LTD ng lipstick. And, Kujik. Nag-Kujik pa. Gamit sa naam. And itong Bello na deodorant. Tapos, ano pa? Ay, ito yung Cebu de Macho, guys. Nagpabili din ako ng Cebu de Macho para sa tambal sa uwat ni Waylon. Madami kasi siyang mga uwat-uwat, eh. Maubaya nasa to sa Pinas nito. Dali ka ay matanggal. Basta na ito. And yung mga hala, ang gaganda nito. Pang terno na jersey. Look. Maganda siya. I love it. Waylon! No, magaganda. Maigo ni Wesley or ni Wayway. Waylon! Maigo ni Wesley siguro. Malaki-laki pa to. Kunti ka, Waylon. Gustong-gusto ko yung ano niya, yung print. Ayan. Mga ano to na pe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, thank you so much. More to guys. So, see you later. Wala nindutan na Wesley. Wala ngayon kasi Wesley guys. O, tanawa. Pipi. Alisa daw na. Wes. Come here. I'll show them by your new clothes. Nag-cry man siya eh. Nag-cry man na ang baby na. Nag-cry man si Wesley. Oh, you're crying? You miss mommy? Huh? Why are you crying? Huh? Ano naman ka? Love you? Nagpa-baby siya guys. Kaya na-miss niya daw yung mommy niya. I love you. I miss you so much, Pod. Mommy's here na. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Love you.
So much.
So much.
In the whole world.
In the whole world.
Sige na. Halaka na dito ka. So, nagpabibi-bibi siya kay kanang gamayng bikil. Naghilak-hilak na. Gimingaw ra di ay ang bata. So, maorata siya guys. See you later na lang. Basta mag-add to me o park or somewhere. So, bye-bye. Hi everyone!
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're gonna in the pink park.
Nice lagi mo clothes, be.
Yeah, mommy bought it for me.
And Waylon too?
Yeah.
Do you like your clothes too?
Yeah.
That's
We
good.
bought basketball.
Basketball shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sige na, sit down na si Mokcha. So, we're going to the park, guys, para makapaglaro din yung mga bata kasama yung ate nila. But we need to put lipstick on first.
Martin gonna come in the park.
Yeah, he's coming.
Bella, are Bella come?
Yeah, of course. That's why.
Or Bella's coming to sit down.
Here. Did you lock the door, Kuya William? Huh? Hey, William! Bring water po there, William.
Okay.
2 water. Huh? Oh, hi, William. Hi. We're like, hi. He cried earlier, ate, because he thought that your guys are not coming. Ang laki-laki na ni Bella, no? She's a big girl now. The first time I met her, oh my goodness, it's like Wesley's age, I think. You're 6. You're 6. Oh yeah, it's like gamay. Same age like Wesley. Oh, 1 year old older than Wesley. And she's so small at that time, like. And then it's your hair is braided, right? Yeah. Careful, guys. And now look at her. She's so big now, and like William too. You're only 2 years old when you first time met Bella. Yeah, he was 2. How about me? How about me?
You weren't alive.
Alright guys, let's go.
Lucy, where are your shoes?
Liam said he wants Bella to stay with us.
Yeah, you're asking William. But Ate Bella's going home tomorrow. So you guys gonna be sad.
Say something to Bella.
William's gonna cry because he's gonna miss Bella.
Mommy.
Are you gonna miss Ate?
Oh, last time, you remember when Bella came and
So the Lada, and she's like,
there's boogers?
They're not boogers, they're just stuff off the can. Oh, I hate this song.
sabi ni Wesley, kanang na ay ganahan daw siya na si Bella may stay here. He's hugging you, ate.
Hi, Wesley.
Daddy, Mommy.
Wilon, anawa Wilon. Di paak lagi ka we.
Daddy.
Ha? Dili man si Wesley ana nagpaak. Come here. Careful. Yeah. Come here, come here. What? What did you say?
Poopy.
Careful, guys. Waylon, Waylon, no running. Hi, William, boy. William, mag-haircut ta next, William.
Okay.
Ate Bella, you go to the swing first. Hi, Wes. Move, 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 Wilon. Happy kay sila, guys. Nga na ilang ate there eh. Yes, that's ate. I'm not sure, ate. Hi, go, Waylon. Go, Waylon. Wesley, be careful there. Go, Waylon, go. Go, Waylon. Huh? Your good job? I know you are. Masasad na kanyang mga kapatid nila ay kasi ano, uuwi na yung ate. But si Bella guys, bukas maaga siya maaga siyang pupunta sa airport. Kasi yung ano niya, yung anong tawag dyan? Yung flight niya is 5 and then pupunta sila sa airport ng mga 3. Go, go, go away. Go. Go, Ilan. Come on. No, you stand up. Come on. Go, Ilan. Go, Ilan. Go, Ilan. Ala guys, mas mataas pa si Bella sa akin ba? Feeling ko mas mataas pa siya pagbalik niya dito sa Tennessee. Way. Ano lang siya dito guys, mga 1 week lang ata siya. Ha? You hold Ate Bella, baba. Careful, kay na si Wayway. Lala, Waylon. Gunit. Gunit siya, Waylon.
Hold on to the hold.
Hello. Hinay lang, kay na si Waylon ba? Wesley.
Wesley, you're gonna fall. Come on, tell your friend that.
Lala. Kuya. Huh? Help me. Ano siya bilang? Help me. Okay, ganito sa anik ka. Hold on. Okay, hold on.
Mommy here. I want to push him.
Not really hard.
Here. I want to push him.
How about you, Ate? Do you want me to push you? You're tired? Kuya William, Wesley na pod. Hala! Hinay ha, hinay kay malagpot in down ka, Ginoo. Where's the buckle?
There's a buckle right here.
Go buckle yourself, Wes. Up. Gara-garaon man ka, we. Careful, guys. I can buy ice cream sa Publix and we can.
That sweet one. That pink one.
William, Wesley.
So Publix?
Let's go to Publix first.
Yeah. You do it. One leg beam. Okay, one more. Okay, Mommy?
Okay. But you need to hold. So, uuwi na kami guys kasi anong oras na, mga 8 naman siguro. Oh no. And then, nahilo daw si Bella sa kanilang laro. No running. Wow. No running. Come here. Hold, Mommy. It's not Wesley? It's not Wesley? Are you serious? Huh? Did you have fun, Waylon?
Yeah.
How about you, William?
Yeah.
How about you, Wesley? Okay. How about you, Ate Bella? Did you have fun but you feel dizzy? So, anyway guys, let's go home na. We're going home now. So, see you in the next vlog. And sa Ate Bella, uuwi na siya tomorrow. So, bye-bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching.